Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get this video started, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, if you find this video useful or entertaining in any way, please smash that thumbs up button. We got a lawn tractor tow hitch receiver, and it goes on the back here. We're gonna put a couple pieces of it together here, and then we're gonna mount it to the back of the tractor. First thing we gotta do, based on the diagram here, is we gotta take this bracket, and it bolts right here on the back, lines up with them 4 holes. And that's some bolts right there. There's 6 of them, because there's 2 little plates here that bolt to the sides, as you can see right there in that picture. So we're gonna grab some wrenches and sockets and get these plates mounted on. Follow along with me. Alright guys, we got this plate mounted on there with the 4 bolts. They go up to the rear just like this. Now like I said, we're gonna get these side plates mounted to it. And it looks to me they made this adjustable. As you can see right there, it's got 2 different holes. Yeah, choose which bracing right there. So it's gonna go this way, whether you need it to go there or there. Alright, we're gonna get them mounted. What's up, guys? Well, we ran into a little problem here. I got the back of the receiver, we just got it in place. It's not bolted down tight, because obviously you need to adjust it, you know, forwards and backwards where it needs to go. But putting these brackets on here, they're supposed to go just like this. Well, so we're gonna have to line it up with what hole they go to, which it looks like it's gonna be that one right there. But we're just eyeballing it here. But we really think we're going to have to jack this thing up, get it up on the ground so we can really make sure it's all straight and aligned correctly. Be right back with you once we get this thing up in the air. Alright guys, welcome back. We got the holes drilled here for these brackets. Then we got to take and let it back down, take the battery out so we can get to the back of these bolt heads and tighten them up. But before we do that, we're going to tighten up this bottom bolt right here. Nuts up there on the bottom. I believe it's a 1-inch bolt, guys. I'm sorry, 15/16. 1 second here. I'm gonna tighten this down. All right, guys. I got the battery out. I know we can get down there to the bolts. One's right there by the relay. The other one's right down there. A little cylinder, you can't really see it. The harness is right in the way. We're gonna get those tightened down, guys, to these 2 brackets. We're right back with you. All right, guys, we got those brackets bolted on down inside there. One's right underneath the relay, one's right underneath the start solenoid. Now we're gonna get these side brackets secured and tight in place.